Hello everyone, and welcome back to another lesson on Microsoft Excel. In this lesson we're going to go over and talk about the templates. So templates are basically themes that you can download or you can select from your Excel, and you will need an internet connection for that as well. So you can use these templates and you can search for different types and categories of templates as well. Alright, so let's go ahead to Microsoft Excel and take a look at how we can apply templates. So we are back on Microsoft Excel, and you can see that I am in the start screen right now. Okay, so we have these three options right over here, and basically we're going to use some templates today. Okay, so to get the templates, you might be wondering, where do you start? It's pretty simple. What you need to do is just go to this new right over here, and you will find a lot of recommended templates from over here. Okay, so just go to the new section and you can just select any type of template from here. So it says welcome to Excel. These are actually just tutorials how you can use Excel. And then we have this organization chart, we have personal monthly budget, seasonal photo calendar, then seasonal illustrated. Alright, so all of these are available depending on what you're going to create. You can select any template, and there are also suggested searches over here that are based on categories. So the categories comprise of business, personal, planners and trackers, lists, budgets, charts and calendars. So basically you can see these are all mixed up right over here, but you can actually search for individual or your designated teams from over here, or you can search for, if you want to be more specific, you can mention whatever you want to search from over here. Okay, so I'm going to search for, let's say, budget. If I press enter, it's gonna search and bring me all the suggested templates for a budget plan. Okay, so we have different types of budget templates from over here, like a personal monthly budget, monthly company budget, and then we have basic balance sheet, a weekly timesheet, and then bill pay checklist, and the list goes on. You have a lot of options to choose from. Okay, so just go ahead all down over here. College loan calculator, a grocery list, all of these are available. Okay, so you can just select whichever goes good with you. You can just select them. Okay, so let me just go over to personal monthly budget. Okay, and there you can see, once I hover over it, there's a pin over here. You can actually pin this type of templates as well, and once I select any type of templates, you can see there's this pin button. You can pin it to your start screen. Let's say I want to pin this personal monthly budget. Okay, so it's currently pinned, right? So let's go back, and you can see in our new section we have personal monthly budget. So to open this, you can just simply click on it and you will find all the layout. Let me show you how easy this is. Okay, so just click on this, and you can see it says personal monthly budget, and there's a description, and it's also provided by Microsoft Corporation, so it is available for everyone. Okay, so it says you make your financial health priority with this Excel monthly budget template. So it actually tracks your monthly expenditures by income and expenses, including housing, loans, transportation costs, and more. Okay, so this is basically a personal monthly budget that you would create for your own personal budget. Okay, so we all have expenses in our lives, so basically you can keep track on your expenses and what you're left with actually using personal budget. So let's go ahead and create this template. Let's just click on create, and it's gonna automatically create and take you to another page where you have all of these layout. Okay, all of these organized right over here. Okay, and the thing about these places is that you can actually go ahead and edit them. Okay, like if I click on this box, I can just go ahead and edit this. Okay, So once I'm done, I can just click elsewhere, and then it will just be clicked like that. And if you notice that there are boxes right over here, so you can actually edit them. Actually, if you want to add something or if you want to deduct something, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the name from over here. All right, so if I click here, you can see there's an icon as well. They added an icon over here. You can change the icon as well. You can give it anything else, whatever you need. All right, so this is basically a monthly budget plan. Okay, so you can, if you want to make a plan or if you have a budget plan, then you can use this template very easily. So for instance, if you want to change this value right over here, which is projected balance, you just need to click twice right over here, and you can see that there's a formula added. Okay, so this is a formula for this section. Okay, so if I just click elsewhere, it just goes back to normal. All right, so actually that was a formula, and this was calculated elsewhere, right? So that is why this value is right over here. And actual balance, you can change it to whatever you want. You can see there's this writing bar right over here, and you can just change it however you want. You can add something or anything else that you need. Okay, just click on elsewhere, it just changes. Okay, so this is the expense, right? We have here the difference, and then if I go down, you can see every single thing is organized. And now this is a really good thing. You can see it says housing, and then entertainment, we have transportation as well, loans, taxes, insurance, food, savings or investments, and then we have gifts and donations, pets, personal care, and then legal. So at the end it says total projected cost. Okay, so you can set it up to monthly or you can set it up to annually. It's up to you. It doesn't matter how you do it. It's just that if you add your incomes and if you add your expenses right over here, you can keep a better track on that and probably save some money as well. So let's go over to our template section again. I'm just gonna go to file and just go to new, and here we have our templates. Okay, so last time I searched for budgets, which is also here in this suggestion bar as well. If I click on it, it will bring me all the budgets, like this one that we use, monthly budget as well. So let's go back again. We're gonna go back to the new and templates, and we're gonna take a look at, let's say, business templates as well. So business templates, there's the first one is the simple service invoice. Then we have monthly company budget, and then weekly timesheet as well. And then we have, let's say, we're gonna cut this off, company basic business invoice as well. Okay, all of these, let's say if I click on this one, you can see all of these are created by Microsoft Corporation, right? Provided by this corporation. And if you go more in depth, you will find that some templates are also available there from other organizations as well. So it's all actually mixed, but most of them are Microsoft's own templates. So that is pretty cool that they are providing you with this type of simplicity. So let's check out some business templates from over here. Let's go to monthly company budget, and we're going to click on create. Before that, you can read the description right over here, the mini description that is provided. It says track spending with this business budget template. Excel powers a separate summary of your top expenses and income, as well as comparison of estimated versus actual spending, right? Let's create this one. All right, so we have our monthly budget, and you can see here, this is basically a basic worksheet that was created, a workbook. Okay, so then they just edited it. Okay, so like this one and this one. Okay, all right, so let's move on to our monthly budget. It says here budget totals, estimated, actual, and difference. If you're running a business, then you would know that this is very helpful as well, right? And budget totals, income this much, expenses this much, actual, and they're just gonna go ahead and calculate on its own. You just need to provide the values and it's gonna calculate on its own. Because if I double click right over here, you can see that there is a formula that is written right over here. You can see this is a formula, not the actual amount. That's because the amount comes after the formula is added and the formula is effective, right? That's why the calculation comes up. And if I go back to here, you can see all of these, the value is just the same as before, okay? And they make it all on their own and it just calculates on its own. That's the beauty of Excel. You don't need to calculate on your own. If you know the formulas, then it's pretty easy to calculate, okay? So it says here budget overview as well, okay? So they estimates your actual expenses and income, and then they give you an analyzation right over here, and you can actually get the comparison how your business is running, right? So if I go down, it says here expenses, right? What are my top 5 highest operating expenses? So you can search for your expenses from over here. So now if I go down more, you can see there are more space to edit, okay? Now basically there are more space that where you can actually edit whatever you want to add, all right? And if you want to edit something from here, you can do that very easily as well. Let's say you want to edit some points from over here, let's say supplies, and you just want to add, let's say this one. I'm going to change this one, and you can see if I double click it, it changes like this, right? There's a large operating expense. This is just the formula, right? So just like that, you can edit it, but you would need to know some formulas as well. We're going to get to that in another lesson, and that's basically it in this template. Let's go back and let's go to other templates. Let's take a look how what we have left. Let's say we have something, let's say planners and trackers, right? So if I just click on it, you can see there are a lot of invoice tracker, then loan authorization, amortization, and then job candidates tracker. Actually, you can find a lot of templates from over here. This one, investment tracker as well, which is very popular these days. Investments, people are investing a lot, so you can actually use this template as well. Now you can see it has a dark template, and it says by picture. You can actually edit this as well. So let's go back and take a look at which corporation is providing this investment tracker. If I click on it, and it's provided by Microsoft Corporation as well, right? So they provided you with these templates, so it's really pretty cool that they're giving you this much simplicity. All right, so that's how you use the templates, guys. And if you want more, like there's personal section as well. If I click on it, it just brings me to all of these personal monthly budget, which we actually covered, and then premium weekly, chore, and then we have this loan calculator, how much you're loaning out or how much you are in debt, and then personal mileage tracker. We have personal contact list, and then all of these photo family tree as well. You can actually have fun with this one. Let's go ahead and capture your family images lineage with this performated and customizable photo family tree template for Excel. This photo family tree template is perfect for reunions. Yeah, actually this is really fun. If we click on create, so this could be a very fun way to present your family tree. You can actually go over and set up your mother's name, father's name, everything from your ancestors and all of them. Alright, so that's how you use this template. Alright, so let's get back to other templates. In new, you can see there are a lot of templates as well. Budget overview. This is actually mixed right over here, and there are a lot over here as well. Okay, so that's basically how you use templates, okay? And If you want more templates, you can just go ahead and type here and search for specific templates that you need. So that is it for this lesson. I hope you understood how you can use templates. These are the templates overview, how you can use them. All right, so with this, I'm going to end this lesson right over here, and I'm going to see you guys in another lesson.